Hello, welcome everyone to the walk around video here at your next car, the 2015 225D M Sport 2-door coupe. The vehicle is presented in mineral grey and of course features the wv15 body enhancement kit. You should be able to see, thanks to the sunlight we have today, that mineral grey looks really well, especially so with our in-house enhancements. The alloy wheels are the original 18-inch alloys, which we've had professionally refurbished in the gloss black. We have also just replaced the two front tyres with a pair of brand new ones. Down the side then we've got the satin side vinyls, wv15 M performance decals. Rear tyres are also in really great condition, so there was no need to replace them just yet. Inside we've got the black Dakota leather option interior. The front seats are both heated. This 225D comes not only with the twin turbo 2-litre diesel, we've got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement, central storage tray. You can see actually this one looks like it's barely ever been sat in the back. And of course, so if you are of course intending to put people in the back, there is plenty of room to do so. We've got the rear privacy glass on this one. Round towards the back then we've got the gloss rear spoiler and rear diffuser, rear parking sensors. If we pop open the tailgate, the boot space again often catches people out with the 2 Series, as it has got a very impressive boot size along with split folding seats as well. Let's go on and show you around to the driver's side for a moment then, where again you can see that mineral grey really does look very well with our in-house enhancements alongside the freshly refurbished gloss black alloys. Inside then, again as I mentioned, that black Dakota leather. We have also got a multi-function M Sport steering wheel and pedals for the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. The current mileage for this one's just over 76,000 miles, and if we get the car started up you can see, and we will take you through some of the onboard equipment for the car. So it's got Bluetooth telephone on this one. If we go across into the audio section, you'll see it's got DAB as well as CD slot. And if we turn the aircon down, do apologise about that, it is a bit warm up here. We've got USB, Bluetooth and AUX line in. And if we go into the vehicle information screen then, we can see that we have got good service history. It's not due a service for 16,000 miles. We've got 2 recorded services on the iDrive from BMW. We do also have some other services carried out on the car as well, with receipts to prove so. We've got cruise control and speed limiter on this one. And normally you would only get speed limiter, the cruise control is an option. So there is a look around at another very nicely presented 225D M Sport Coupe here at your next car. For any further information guys, please do check out the links I'll be leaving for you in the description. And once again, thank you very much. We shall of course look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.